How to download Lego Fortnite on PC and laptop. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and make sure that you have downloaded this Epic Game Launcher. To do that, you just have to type Epic Game Launcher and then click this one. Click the very first link that you can see and then tap download, or you can see this install this to your computer, or it's also available to your Mac OS. So all you have to do is to click this download right here, open your download folder, and then run this as administrator. So once you have downloaded this and installed this to your device, go to the search bar and then type Epic Game Launcher. Open this one. And actually, I have already installed my Fortnite or Lego Fortnite. So in case you haven't downloaded it yet, you just have to simply go to the search bar, okay? Click this search icon right here and then type Lego Fortnite. Anyways, you have to download Fortnite too. So if you tap this and then download, also your Fortnite will be automatically download. So first is to get this and then it will start downloading. Same thing with the Fortnite. So once Fortnite and Lego Fortnite is now in your library, all you have to do is to click launch and it will start running. And then once done, you can now play this Lego Fortnite. Okay, so again, you have to install Fortnite and then a Lego Fortnite. And then once done, you can now simply play this game, and that's how easy it is to download Lego Fortnite on PC and laptop. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.